Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are answering a burning question. Will AI take over all of our jobs? We have seen headlines screaming that millions of jobs are at risk, and it's true. AI is already writing emails, coding apps, designing art, and even diagnosing diseases. But here's the twist, not every job can be replaced. Some careers are so deeply human that no algorithm can take them away. So let's break it down. Here are 5 jobs that AI simply cannot replace. And by the end, you will see why humans still hold the advantage. Job 1. Teachers and educators. Let's start with one of the most important professions in the world, teaching. Yes, I can explain math formulas, generate quizzes, and even tutor students online, but teaching is more than facts. Think about your favorite teacher. Maybe they encouraged you when you failed. Maybe they inspired you to dream bigger. That spark, that human connection, is something AI will never replicate. When a student walks into class nervous, confused, or discouraged, no robot can replace the encouragement of a real teacher who says, "I believe in you." And that emotional push often changes lives. Job 2. Healthcare workers. Now let's talk about healthcare. AI is amazing here. It can scan X-rays, detect cancer, and analyze patient records faster than any doctor. But imagine going to the hospital and only meeting machines, cold screens, robotic voices, no human touch. When you are scared, sick, or in pain, you don't just need treatment. You need compassion. You need a nurse holding your hand before surgery. You need a doctor who looks you in the eye and says, "We're going to get through this together." That empathy, that reassurance is what heals the soul, and that's something no machine can ever provide. Job 3. Creative professionals. Now let's talk creativity. Sure, AI can write stories, generate art, and even compose songs in seconds. But let's be honest, most AI outputs feel flat because it's copying patterns from the past. True creativity is about originality, it's about vision, it's about expressing something deeply human. Think about Picasso inventing Cubism. Think about filmmakers like Christopher Nolan who twist reality into new forms. Think about musicians pouring heartbreak into lyrics that millions connect with. AI can remix, but it doesn't feel. It doesn't know love, heartbreak, or joy. And without emotion, art loses its soul. That's why humans will always lead in creativity. Job 4. Skilled trades. Now here's a surprising one. Skilled trades. Electricians, plumbers, carpenters, mechanics. You might think these are simple jobs, but in reality, they are incredibly complex. Every repair is different. Every house, every pipe, every circuit has unique quirks. AI can suggest instructions, but it can't crawl into tight spaces, improvise with limited tools, or troubleshoot when something completely unexpected happens. Imagine calling a robot plumber at 2 a.m. during a flood in your kitchen. Do you really think it'll adapt on the spot? Not likely. Humans with hands-on skills and real-world problem solving will always be essential. Job 5. Leaders and decision makers. Finally, leadership. AI can analyze data, run simulations, and give recommendations, but leadership isn't about spreadsheets, it's about vision, judgment, and values. When times are tough, people don't look to machines for guidance. They look to leaders who inspire trust, who unite teams, who make tough calls guided by ethics, not just numbers. So let's recap. The 5 jobs AI can't replace are teachers, healthcare workers, creative professionals, skilled trades, and leaders. AI is incredible at speed, accuracy, and automation, but humans bring imagination, compassion, adaptability, and vision. The future isn't about humans versus AI, it's about humans plus AI. Machines handle the heavy lifting, and humans provide the heart and soul. So here's the truth, AI will change jobs, but it will never erase the power of being human. Thanks for watching. Follow for more insights on AI and the future of work.